Really?
That is a sign.
Hi. Happy Pride. Happy Independence Day.
Guys, we're very shocked at this appearance, by the way. We're not prepared.
Mga mahal sa buhay ni Mr. Ricky Davao, isa na dito si Miss Jackie Lou Blanco. Paglilinaw niya ay hindi pa sila annulled ng kanyang asawa na si Ricky Davao, kaya naman siya ay legal wife pa rin hanggang ngayon kahit na mayroon ng bagong partner si Mr. Ricky. Panoorin ang ilang memorabilia na naiwanan ni Mr. Ricky Davao sa kanyang pamilya. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Hindi pa annulled si Jackie Lou Blanco at Ricky Davao, kaya until now legally married pa rin siya at Jackie Lou pa rin ang wife niya kahit na may bago ng partner si Ricky. All the necessary documents ay dadaan pa rin sa legal wife, but happy naman din si Jackie kahit na may partner ng iba si Ricky. They are friends. Katunayan, sa mga family gathering nga ni na Jackie Lou Blanco at Ricky Davao ay kasama pa rin ni Ricky ang kanyang bagong partner. At tanggap na tanggap ito ni Jackie Lou na maging member din ng family ang bagong girlfriend ni Ricky. Masaya lang silang pamilya, ang bawat isa ay nagkakaisa, maging sa mga anak nila ay welcome ang partner ni Ricky.
It's really all about respect.
Oh yan, speaking of, our father has entered the room.
Our father has entered the room.
Di ba mag-hi ka sa viewers?
Why?
We're talking about you.
What about
in your
me?
interview in Tito Boy. Kasi they asked you about ate.
Really?
That is a sign.
Hi. Happy Pride. Happy Independence Day.
Guys, we're very shocked at this appearance, by the way. We're not prepared.
Dad, you're so funny. Ayan, everyone saying hi to you. Hello
Labi
po.
ng fans. Hello po.
Hi, sir. Salute.
Have fun. Enjoy. Happy Pride again.
Oh, tingnan mo, meron ba kami
Thank you. Special appearance
special
by Mr.
guest,
Ricky Davao.
Mr. Ricky
Sakto
Davao.
kasi we were talking about him.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh,
alam mo
I'm
kaya
not
iniwan ko yung door
prepared.
na bukas eh. Baka papasok.
Sa isang interview nga, nilinaw ni Jackie Lou Blanco na we are not annulled, nobody tried. In a rare and honest interview, Jackie Lou Blanco revealed that she and Ricky Davao had been separated for quite some time, despite public perception that they were still together. Our marriage lasted definitely more than 10 years. People still thought that we were still together because we are still in the same house. Sabi yan ni Miss Jackie Lou. They both chose to handle it quietly. There was no drama, no controversy, only mutual respect and an unwavering commitment to their children. She added, even if things turn out not what we may have wanted to, at the end of the day, we will still always be parents to our children. That bond will always be there. I just want to think of the good things in the relationship and just be grateful. Plus, pag okay kayo, okay din ang mga bata. Mas happy sila. Even more telling, Jackie Lou revealed that she and Ricky were never legally annulled. Ricky and I are actually still legally married kasi we are not annulled. Nobody tried. Ako, whatever God's will is, whether it is bring to Ricky and I together again, it's not something that I will say no. If it is His will, kung will naman ni Lord yun, kahit naman gusto ko at ayaw ni Ricky, mangyayari at mangyayari yun. Whatever His will is, will be done. Now, with the recent passing of Ricky Davao, her words remind us that not all relationships end in bitterness. Sometimes they evolve into something different, grounded in friendship, gratitude, and love for the family built together. Sadyang may angking kabaitan din talaga si Mr. Ricky Davao at talagang mahal na mahal niya ang mga anak niya kay Jackie Lou Blanco. Hindi niya ito pinababayaan, maski nga ang mga apo niya dito. Mayroon nga ring heartfelt message si Lotlot de Leon para sa kanyang kuya Ricky. Sabi niya, nakilala ko si Kuya Ricky when I was very young. He would frequent our house dahil sa mga pelikulang ginawa nila ni Mommy and they were very good friends. Little did I imagine, fast forward to many years, that he will really be a part of my life because of Ate Jackie. To many, he was an outstanding actor and director, one of the best in our industry, but to me, he was Kuya Ricky. Plus, he was fondly called my kid Tito Nong. As time went by, we got closer and he would never miss out on greeting me for any occasions. We would have our personal kwentuhans about life, and on not so good days, he would always remind me that everything was gonna be okay. He was also very fond of Janine, Jessica, Jego, and Maxine. He would always have that proud uncle smiles when he knows that my kids are doing well. He always the proud and happy Tito Nong. His passing has left a dent in my heart, our family's heart, but I know for sure in heaven where he is, he will always be watching over us. To his children, my pamangkins, I'm deeply sorry for your loss. But knowing all of you and how strong and beautiful all you are, that's Kuya Ricky's heart shining through all of you. I know how proud he is of all of you too. To Kuya Ricky's family and to my dear Ate Jackie, isang mahigpit na yakap. I love you. Please to all of you, our friends, kindly include our family and our loved ones who have gone in your prayers. That little whispers of prayer will go a long way for all of us. Ibinahagi naman ng mga mahal sa buhay ni Mr. Ricky Davao ang ilang memory niya na magkakasama silang pamilya at masayang nagbabanding. Talagang hindi nawawalan si Kuya Ricky ng time sa kanyang pamilya, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang mga anak. Maski nga sa industriya, talagang halos lahat ay kaibigan ni Mr. Ricky Davao. Kaya hindi rin mabilang ang mga taong nakikiramay sa kanilang pamilya at nagbibigay ng mga heartfelt messages para sa kanya at condolences para sa buong pamilya.